Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about dropping a pin on maps. So this year things are a little different with finding our objective yield fields. Since we do not have an area map telling us where our field is, once we find the field with our operator, we want a way to help us and our coaches find the field in the future. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on our iPad. You can do this on your iPad, you can do it on a smartphone, but we're going to open the map icon. And I want to apologize, I know it's a little blurry, and this is the best I could make it, but we are going to go into our map icon. The first thing you'll notice is that there is a blue dot. The blue dot is where you physically are at a point in time. What we would like you to do is when you're at the field entrance, open up your maps. You're going to get right next to your dot, and we're going to tap the screen. So I'm going to show you here a couple times. We'll start first this one. So you noticed I just held it for about 2 seconds there. So I'm going to do it again, just in a little slight different stop. 2 seconds. And it gave me this screen to the side. So what you're going to do once you have it where your field entrance is, you're going to select this pin. Okay? So now that we have our pin, there are a couple things we're going to do here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a note. And this is just for your reference to help identify the field. So in this note, we're going to say that this is corn sample 4. So I'm going to hit done. Now we can see corn sample 4. The other thing I'd like to note here are these coordinates. These are the GPS coordinates for this pin. We would like you to write down these coordinates on the Form B form. When you are done with all of your counts, you're going to take a picture of the front and the back of the form that identifies the sample number and the coordinates, and you're going to send that to your coach. The reason we're going to do that is for 2 reasons. The first one is for quality control purposes. Your coach can go out and verify all of your counts. And the other is if for some reason you are unable to go to a field in a future month, your coach has the exact entrance of that field and can go out and help you if needed. So we have identified our corn sample 4 location. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to hit this X right here. And as you can see, I have 4 places identified. So I'm going to tap my 4 places. And you can see I played with this a little bit earlier. I have corn sample 1, soybean sample 2, corn sample 3, and the one we just did together, our corn sample 4. So if I would tap on our corn sample 1, it will take me to that location and it will allow me to drive. So right here I can get my driving directions and I can figure out exactly how to get to corn sample 1 with our driving route and go to the exact same location to park my car. I'm going to do one more thing here. We're going to go do one more pin just so everyone can see it another time. So we're going to say that right here is where my field entrance is. I'm going to take it, I'm going to tap the screen, just a 1, 2. Once again, I'm going to hit pin. I'm going to add a note. We'll say this is a soybean field. Soybean sample 5. I'm going to tap done again. These are the GPS coordinates we're going to share with our coach. We hit our X button right here. Now we have 5 saved locations. The nice part is if you kind of zoom out, depending on how far they are, you can kind of see your dots. This might be a little difficult to see, but here's one right here. I have another dot right here and there. So once again, it's very hard to see on the video, but if you zoom out, you can actually see all of your little dots, and you can drive to all of your fields needed in a day. If you have any questions when you're going or doing this, please ask your coach. Once again, this is for you to help easily find all of your fields, and it is also for your coach, so if there's a reason that you cannot do it, your coach also knows exactly where that field is.